Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to PMDC online lecture room. This is Nusrat Khan, lecturer at PMDC Girls, Peshawar. Topic of today's lecture is cognitive or intellectual aims of education, which is from the second chapter, Aims of Education. So I am going to explain the few subtopics here. First, obviously the cognitive or intellectual aims of education. Now, what are these cognitive or intellectual aims of education? Self-recognition, capturing the universe, knowing the concept of education, discharging duties and responsibilities of caliphhood, and the ability of international leadership. Then I am going to discuss a few questions and MCQs that are important for your board examination and then your assignment. So, what are the cognitive or intellectual aims of education? First, cognitive relates to mind, your mental or intellectual aims of education. Now, cognitive or intellectual aims means the aims obviously that relates to your mind, to your perception, how you are going to perceive things, means how you are going to understand things. So, education is always according to the ideology or philosophy of life, that what you understand life is and what you need to do in your life, and to you can say to understand the concept or to understand the relationship of man to this God, to his God or to this universe. Therefore, the mental or intellectual aims of education in an Islamic society are the following. The first intellectual aim that has to be achieved by education is to self-recognition, which means to identify oneself. अपने आप को पहचानना कि what is the real you, which means to recognize or to identify one's strengths, good qualities and one's weaknesses. अपनी खूबियों को पहचानना and अपनी खामियों को पहचानना. Now, why this is important? Because being Muslims, we have this belief that Allah has created each human being, and not only human beings, each living thing different from another one. So, we have each and every person will have his own good qualities or strengths which will be different from the other ones, and weaknesses as well. ठीक है? So first, mental or intellectual aim of education is to identify oneself. अपनी खूबियों को पहचानना और अपनी खामियों को पहचानना. Why? To minimize your weaknesses or to change your weaknesses into your strengths. This is the purpose of education. Again, why? For the benefit of yourself, for your family, and in the long run for your society and your nation. Now, after recognizing oneself and changing one's weaknesses and using one's strengths for the benefit of humanity, now what's the second intellectual aim of education? Capturing the universe. Now, capturing, one cannot capture. Capture means to take control. हम कंट्रोल तो नहीं कर सकते हैं पूरी कायनात पर, but we can use. So here this capturing means using. Using what? The universe. Using, you can say, the resources. Treasures कौन से हैं? Resources. Resources of the universe or the world. Water is a resource. Land is a resource. Now air is a resource. Using all those resources for the benefit of humanity. Now land resources में फिर different सारे जो आपके आ जाते हैं, your minerals आ जाते हैं, सारी चीज़ें आती हैं. ठीक है? Water is a resource, and water के अंदर in the oceans your aquatic life and all those different minerals that are present there also is a resource. So capturing the universe means to know first, to identify. Education should enable us to identify our world, what resources we can use and how we can use those resources for the benefit, okay, for the benefit of humanity. That's important. Now, obviously ये पूरा मैंने आपको डिस्कस कर दिया है कि एजुकेशन का मकसद क्या होना चाहिए. इंटेलेक्चुअल एम ऑफ एजुकेशन शुड बी enable a person to first to get knowledge of the resources or treasures of the universe, and then of the knowledge that how a person can use these resources for the benefit of humanity. Now, another intellectual aim of education is to know the concept of education. This is very important. Now, if we look at our own selves, what is the purpose of education? If we ask a student of intermediate, he or she will tell us that my purpose of doing this intermediate is to get admission into a medical college or engineering college. So we should inculcate in our students the real meaning of education, that this is only one part of your aim. The real aim of education should be to live your life, you can say positively, and to live it to the full, which means कि अपने अंदर की आप खामियों को खूबियों में चेंज करें. You should know the real meaning of education means a positive change in your life, a positive change in your behavior, and how you can change yourself for the benefit of humanity, how you can change your life and work for, you can say, your community and work for a peaceful and healthy life. ठीक है, दैट्स द रियल मीनिंग ऑफ गेटिंग एजुकेशन. जितनी भी इंफॉर्मेशन, the information you are getting in your college and universities, the right use of that information, the beneficial use of that information is education. Now, in an Islamic society, we should inculcate also this belief that man is a caliph of Allah in this universe, and we have to, being his caliph, of being his caliph in the universe, we have to spread what? We have to spread love and peace in the world. We have to spread the education of living together in this world, that being humans, we are not enemies of each other. We are, obviously we are brothers and we are friends, and we have to live with each other with your good qualities and with your weaknesses. We have to live with it. Okay, so being the caliph of Allah, we have to spread his word, his message of love and peace in this world. Now, the last aim of intellectual aim of education is to have, you can say, to inculcate in your students ability of international leadership, means to lead and direct, to show people the true, you can say, path, or to direct people to be able to lead the people in, you can say, community or society to the right purpose. Okay, so we should inculcate all these qualities of leadership in our students as well, and this is one of the main aim of education. Now, the questions that are important for your board examination: highlight the cognitive, which are the intellectual aims of education. MCQs: leadership means to lead and direct the people in a group. Capturing the universe means to make beneficial use of the treasures of universe. Now, you have to give answer to this brief question. Spotlight the intellectual aims of education. I hope this lecture was fruitful in the understanding of intellectual aims of education. If you have any questions, you can ask me through this email address or WhatsApp number. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.